Sometimes you install the program and don't know where it went, so you need to find its location. Or imagine you were working on a project but forgot where you put it. For these purposes there is the command DIR. Its normal use is to display the contents of the current directory. But there are more things that you can do with it. For example, you can list files that match a pattern, like the first letter and the extension. It will find not only in the current directory, but also in the subdirectories. Let's try this. It will find files that start with P and with the extension COM. So here is another example. I've installed network tools but don't know where they are. Especially I would like to know where is telnet, but I don't know the extension. So this is what I type. And it will find the location of the file. There are many other interesting things that you can do with DIR. Here is the list. For example, you can order the files by name, extension, date, or even size. Let's try it. It orders them by name. And here it's ordered by the extension. You can use the wide list format if you prefer, by typing dir/w. Like this, it takes a little bit less space. You can predefine default switches by using the dir cmd environment variable. Let's see what it contains on my system by default. These are the switches by default. If you are using FreeDOS or would like to learn how to use it, DIR is a very useful command. It's also a very good example of how things work in DOS. If you forget something, you can type dir/?. To get a short description of the switches.